How to fix a long video not showing on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix long video not showing on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you navigate towards video section and if you're not able to see the long video, here's how you can fix it. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right with the 3-line icon. Now you have to tap on the settings icon again. Once you're on the settings and activity or settings and privacy page, scroll down a bit and under preferences you have to tap on the option as tab bar. Tap on it. Now tap on customize the bar. So in this page you will see all of the available tabs. So under available tabs there is this video also. You have to tap on the drop down next to the video with an auto. Now from here you have to hide the video from your navigation bar, so tap on hide. Now once you have done that, if you go back to your home page in your Facebook, if you scroll or refresh your page once, you will not be able to find the video shortcut in the navigation bar, as you can see. Now to watch your video, what you have to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right with the 3-line icon. Now from this menu page, if you scroll down a bit, there you can see a bunch of menus. From there tap on video. After that you will be able to watch a long video on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.